Tutorial problem 3. A water course has a irrigated area 2800 hectares, out of which the irrigation for a perennial crops are sugarcane 20% and rice crops 40% respectively. The duty of these crops at head of water course are 750 hectares per cubic and 1700 hectares per cubic respectively. Find the discharge required at the head of water course if the peak demand is 20% of the average requirement. So in this problem they gave irrigated area, that is 2800 hectares, and irrigation perennial crop of sugarcane 20% and rice crop as 40%, and the duty of sugarcane is 750 hectares per cubic, and for rice it is 1700 hectares per cubic, and they gave peak demand is 20% and requested to find the discharge at the head of water course for 20% peak demand. So now for this problem, the first step will be to find the area. So you are supposed to find the area of sugarcane and area of rice. So to find the area, you are supposed to multiply your sugarcane and rice irrigated percentage crops along with the irrigated area, okay, in hectares. So the area of sugarcane and rice should be in hectares. So next step is to find the water required for sugarcane and rice. So for this you are supposed to divide the area of sugarcane and rice which you have found in the previous step and divided by their own respective duty. That is the duty of the respective crops at the head of water course, and that should be in hectares per cubic. So the water required will be in cubic. So next, after finding the required water, you are supposed to find the total discharge. So to find the total discharge, you are supposed to sum up both the crops, that is sugarcane and rice, and the value will be in cubics. So next, to find the peak discharge, what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to include the total discharge which you have found in the previous step into 100. The first 100 is the total amount, okay. Say it is a full amount, so 100%. So that full amount, so that is 100% plus the peak demand. So here the peak demand is 20% and divided by 100. So you will get it as 1.2. So you can multiply the total discharge into 1.2 and you will get the answer in terms of cubics. All you need to understand is that 100 plus peak demand is that first 100 is the full amount, that if you take a full bucket of water, then full amount of water, and then plus the peak demand, that is the maximum demand. So here they have given 20%, so you are supposed to add with 100, that is you are supposed to add with the full amount and divided by the 100, right? So now you can try to work out this problem.